Are we done now? Because I want to talk shit off camera.
Off camera?
Off the record.
Y'all, I'm sorry I'm so loud. I'm at my sister Lay's. We got our food, we got our drinks, our margaritas. Moscato. Is it called Moscato? What's that? Sangria and our Mosette. Whatever the hell it's called. So we're gonna set up and talk to you guys a little bit.
Especially since you already had the film.
Yeah, that's another story, another day. Guys, it's me and Lay here. We're at one of the restaurants around the corner from where we live. Excuse the smudge.
Gourmet.
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 Gourmet. So my sister got the menu right now. She's gonna read me what's on the menu. So we can place the order in over the phone. We're gonna go to the LQ because we're having like a little girls' day. We're gonna set up the camera. We're gonna set up the camera along with my laptop so we can figure out finishing up the account for YouTube. Right now we're just getting ready to order some food and then we're gonna go to the LQ. So what's on the menu, boo?
So you said you're in the mood for seafood, right?
Yes.
So for seafood, they have a gourmet seafood platter with Gulf shrimp, jumbo sea scallops, with Mexican marinara sauce with garlic and fresh herbs over linguine. Then they have a horseradish encrusted salad, accompanied with a whole grain mustard sauce, savory rice, and the chef's vegetables. Next, we have a brew house fish and chips, beer battered, served with seasoned French fries and a tartare sauce.
Tartare.
Now this is
a grilled salad. Grilled salad topped with fresh dill, cucumber, and tomato, finished with a light Bruet Blanc sauce.
Blanca Blanca.
Then we got a
scampi, crushed tomatoes, lemon butter sauce seasoned with fresh basil and garlic over linguine. And then stuffed flounder, stuffed with jumbo lump crab, jumbled with lemon butter sauce, served with mashed potatoes and chef's vegetables. And Tuscan scallop served over cannellini, beans, spinach, and garlic bread.
And one more new thing. There's a flounder franchise. Lemon white butter sauce over linguine. Served with flounder instead of the chicken. I love chicken franchise. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
I almost bought some today. I think I should get chicken franchise.
I'm gonna have to look at it, girl, because you said all that and it went in one ear and out the other.
So
I need to see the words to really like visualize what I see myself eating.
So what are you in the mood for? A flounder, a salmon, scallops?
I could go for some salmon
fried
or white sauce.
A white sauce.
Or like a scampi sauce. I'd rather have like white sauce because I'm gonna be really greedy and eat it along beside my breakfast.
Scampi and,
that's how us girls do. When is that time of the month?
Stuffed flounder.
Stuffed flounder? Well, what type of sauce?
And what does it come inside? Ooh, that sounds good.
I wonder if you think I can ask them to change out the sauce and make it with like a Alfredo sauce? Alright, keep that in mind. Let's check. That would be like the top of my list if they can switch it around and do it like that.
I think I want a crab cake.
And you know the crab cake is probably jumbo here. Okay, so to keep things moving, we're just gonna keep this show rolling and head on over to the liquor store, which is literally next door. And excuse me for my sniffling, y'all. I don't got corona. No, I don't. I just ate some really hot food last night and my nose hasn't been the same. So I'm going to leave it here and I'll be back. What's going on? And we're keeping it going.
So, what are we drinking tonight, sis?
I'm drinking the tea.
What kind of tea?
It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's smooth.
It is smooth. It tastes just like iced tea. Oh my gosh. That's good. So what happened?
And it can be hot if you want it. We're gonna set up and talk to you guys a little bit. Show the food. So, the first stop that we went to was, what restaurant was that? Romanelli's, and they hooked me up with a really nice breakfast platter, white toast, over-easy eggs, and seafood. And then, because we don't always do this, I got something from Gourmet, and it's stuffed flounder with lemon, broccoli, and a side of mashed potatoes. And that came with the broccoli there too. Oh, it's like leaking.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It turned over.
That's a damn shame.
Are they?
This is why we like to eat in the restaurant.
I'm sorry, bro. It spilled all on the table now.
Let me see if I can save whatever's left. It's alright.
You just wiped it. Girl, we can clean this up right now.
I bet you're hungry.
Go ahead, you eat. I'm gonna show y'all this before I clean it up. Look at this. I was just about to give them their compliment. Oh no. It spilled all over the table. Okay. We're back.
We got here, all this hot food and this hot drinking.
We're back.
Hot
so I'm about to pour my drink because I figured turn that music down, it's copyright. Nice. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Cheers to 2021. Don't that look beautiful?
That looks good.
Let me got some raspberries floating in it. Oh, that should be. That's the bomb. Yes. So, what's up, Bill? Thank you for having me over. It's so hard for us to catch up nowadays. We're gonna get this shit done.
I'm hungry.
We ball swimming this year. We got a lot of stuff.
That's crazy that it took a pandemic for, you know, me to unlock my full potential.
Yeah, you know, shit happens.
But I'm one of them people that just operate better in chaos, I guess.
I could probably say the same thing. Well, me, it was a little, I was already like wanting to do all that I'm trying to do right now for a long time. I've been really trying to get my music out because a lot of the music that I'm releasing, I had in my computer and like in storage for years now, like 4 years. The one song that's coming out first, Say A, was in my storage for 4 years, literally. So we just did some like updates on it. And once I was able to get my finances in order and buy the laptop and the camera and everything, that was a little bit more of a push to get everything started. So here I am, and I'm happy. I'm just waiting to see all that can come of it. So I'm excited.
I'm excited too. I actually went back to school.
Ooh, what for?
I'm taking on nursing and medical billing and coding.
Okay.
In addition to my health Public Health Administration that already has.
There you go. We need compassionate people like you.
Health services.
And also people that's like passionate.
Compassionate, yeah.
And doing what they're doing. Because some people, I just really get upset. Like, out of all the jobs that I had out of high school, like, people don't take their job seriously anymore. They just look at it as like a paycheck.
Yep.
So, like, you got to also know that, like, you have choices and opportunities to choose to go into like certain things that you really like, what you really want to do. Yeah. So when you do it, you're not thinking of it as just like work. Like, you're being the best that you can be in it.
Exactly. And I see so many people go into healthcare and they're just like miserable. They're mean. Like, they're not happy people. You know, you have to take care of people. You have to make people feel well or promote wellness in people that's not feeling well. That's your job, that's your lifestyle, that's everything. And for you to come to work and not be attentive to people and not, you know, be compassionate and don't care, you know.
That's the worst. But I tell you one thing, it catches up. It catches up because as far as like people observing your work performance and the result, your patients is like the tell all, be all. So,
but like, to be honest, in a world like this, it's not even about your personality or how you perform your job. It's really about who you form relationships with in the workplace. And if you don't have those relationships with people in the workplace, then you're not going to go very far.
True. Yeah, so
I can't be fake with people. You know what I'm saying? I can't be fake and like act like I'm okay.
Like, okay, yeah. If it's like a high buy thing, then yeah, I could put on my best face. But if it's like something that I know I'm dedicating myself to wake up every morning and go to, and I gotta be around you, like, yeah, I have to make sure I evaluate, is this something I can do every day? Is these the people I can be around every day? Like, are we all getting it?
And to be honest, like, I see so many improvements that can be made in the place where I work.
Yeah. Like how?
But like me stepping in as a newcomer and not being in that position.
Oh, we forgot to pray over our food. Let's pray. It just makes the food taste that much better to me. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, that's what you're saying.
Yes, but
the people you work with.
Like, for me to come in as a newcomer and try to be like, oh, you know, I don't like this and I don't like that, they're going to look at me like, who are you? But like, if I establish my own business and run things the way I would like to be run, look, I have a low tolerance for certain things and they would not happen in my facility.
But it's good that you got experience and you actually was able to like roam around within your employment in the field you're in. Finally, to see like how to be,
Finally, after 2 years of being out of school,
right?
Actually got a job because of the pandemic. People don't want to work, so.
Oh, so they're going. It was
an opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, like, it wasn't an opportunity doing what I went to school for. So you know what I mean. Most of the people in my positions, in the position that I want to be in, they make this egg so banging. I know. I love Over Easy.
The lady gave me like 4 different options on how I could get my egg. I didn't want it to be scrambled because not everybody makes scrambled eggs the way how I like. But Over Easy, I know, is like a restaurant's delicacy, their specialty. They like to see, like to show off their skill on how to make it. They make this perfect.
I like over hard. When I cook it myself, I make it over hard. Or I make it over medium, but I never get it over easy.
This is perfect.
This is so good. Like, I want to, like, I feel like I just had sex or something.
What?
I said, this is so good. It feels like I just had sex. Like, I don't normally eat seafood, but...
Take it in, girl. Take it in. Just imagine. Wait until you have your little session, your sex session. Do they do delivery?
My man don't eat seafood. He's allergic to it. So I try not to eat it around him.
Why? He's allergic? But he would like to eat it?
Imagine me like...
Usually people that are like allergic to shit, they be like, oh, I wish I could try it.
And then he break out an allergic reaction.
I wanted to ask you. I remember you told me about the sex museum in New York.
That was fun.
What was it called?
The Museum of Sex.
Museum of Sex. Okay.
No sex. No sex, baby.
Cause I'm going to New York. I'll be in New York the 23rd, and the next day, I got a room, so I'm just trying to like find little things to do while I'm still out there. I know it's not, that the museum probably won't be open, so damn. I just answer my own question, but at least I know for when it opens.
Yeah, whenever that happens. I think the last pandemic they had, they were in it for like 5-6 years.
For real.
But
right now, I like to live for the moment and just make every day my best. That's all you can do. Live for the day to really show and be a walking example on how I try to live in my purpose and make the world that much better by like how I envision it, how I can create, what I can give back, you know? I feel like everybody does that in their own way. Whether positive or not so. I was crazy as hell. Like, I was a wild party girl.
I can't even get off of work and just sit at the bar. Like,
that's why I'm actually like focused on getting my music out, making these videos.
This is like some
trying to come up with new content
shit, like right here.
Because I can actually sit still knowing that. Damn, that shit is strong. Whoa, I wonder what's stronger, the sangria or the Chardonnay.
I think this is stronger.
The sangria? I might have to try that.
It hit me like hard when I took a first step. I hope I can still get my homework done. He must have came and fixed that light because it was
so guys. Thank you for attending our mukbang breakfast / lunch brunch.
Are you done now? I want to talk shit.
Okay.
Off the record.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this session with me and my baby sister, Layla. This is Ashley, and the name is Ashley Rosetta. This was a mukbang breakfast with us. I'll see you guys later. Bye.